Now come to the next point, which is tapered. So go to the cross section, click on drop down and select tapered. There is a Revit pop-up notification appear. It says this wall type is not compatible with the tapered cross section. Set a layer in the wall type to have variable thickness. It means your wall type is fixed in thickness. To make it tapered, allow at least one layer to change thickness. Okay. So let's give the permission to variable. Go to edit type, then click on edit. Then in the function there is an option variable. Click on this checkbox. Now the variable permission granted. Click on OK. Then again click on OK. Now let's change to tapered and it's activated. So when we change into tapered, there is 3 parameter come. Enable angle overrides, exterior angle, interior angle. And in this, if you go to edit type, then there is the same parameter in the edit type also, which is exterior angle, interior angle and width measure add. And in this width measure add, there is 3 option, top, base and bottom. We will discuss each option one by one. So in this tapered, you will allow to use as per your requirement, as per your need. You can use as an instance property or you can use as a type property in this tapered. Let me show you. Draw a wall, then go to east elevation, click on wall. Then if you check the box, okay, then the option will activate. If you change this angle, which is 4 degree and this 4 degree, the wall is now changed. So this is instance property. If you want to change in type, then make it first 0 and then uncheck this box, then go to edit type. Now change this wall angle, which is 4 degree and the interior angle is 4 degree. Then click on apply, then OK. Remember, it will not work when the box is checked. Let me show you. 8 degree and this is 8 degree. So this instance is worked here, but if you want to change this 8 degree here and then 8 degree here, then it will not work. Okay, you have to uncheck this box first, then it will work. Right now it's not showing any difference, so let's change this value like 4 degree and 4 degree. Okay, and then again uncheck this box, then you see. So if you check this box in instance, then the type parameter is not working. Okay, but if you change this here in the type and still you want to change in the instance, then it will work. As you see here, this will work, but in the type it will not work. When you check enable angle overrides. Okay, now let's understand top, base and bottom. Go to edit type, then hover this cursor at this width measure at, then you see one number is top, two number is base, bottom and 3 number is base. So in this way the base, bottom and top is work, means the position of base and bottom and top. Okay, now duplicate this wall, which is 8, then make it 0 this, then change to base. Okay, this will not work because make it 0 here also. Then again select this duplicated wall, then change to base, click on OK. Then copy this wall, click on the 8" which is top, then again duplicate this wall and change to bottom, make it 0 like this, and switch this basic wall to 8" 3. Now all the 3 walls are different, like top, base, bottom. Okay. Now make this base minus 2 feet. Okay. Minus 2 feet base. Same with these 2 wall also, minus 2 feet. Now change the dimension of all these 3 walls. Here I am using the instance property right now for understanding better way. If you need, you can use type property also, like 4°, then 4°, it will change minus 4°, and the minus 4°, and this is changed, then again this is minus 4°, and then minus 4°. Oops, not minus 4°, 4°. Now take the dimension of all 3 walls, top, base and bottom. Okay, type DI dimension, the shortcut key, hover the cursor to the corner of this wall, then press tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the point is selected. Again press tab 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the dot is appear, and then click on that dot. Then this dimension will take. Now same process will do here also. Hover the cursor at the corner and then press tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click. Okay. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, if you practice this continuously, then you will get master on selecting the dot point of the wall or any of the element. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll take the dimension of top and bottom, but not base. So let's take the dimension of the base. But here is the trick. If you take the dimension of the base, you have to change the dimension which is aligned to linear. Then select where the level cut of this wall. Okay. Then click on this wall, and then the dot is appear without pressing tab. Then click on it. Now this is selected, and you can take the dimension of this center part also. Again select the wall near the level, then again click on dot. Now click again to fix this dimension. Once more select this wall near the level, again click on dot, then click to fix this dimension. I hope you guys understand how to take dimension of this wall. Okay. Now understand each wall behavior one by one. So this is top, this is base, and this is bottom. Okay, let's confirm it. This is base and this is bottom. Yes. Now if I change this wall like 8° and 8°, then you see the top is fixed but the base and the bottom is variable. If I change this wall, then minus 8° and here minus 8°, then base is constant and the bottom and the top is variable here. Let's select this and give 80° and 8°. Now you see the bottom is constant, base and top is variable. It means that whatever the parameter you select in the type properties, that parameter is fixed. Okay, they will not move from the original dimension. Just rest of two will move. If I select top, then base and bottom will variable. If I select base, then top and bottom will variable. If I select bottom, then top and base will variable. Okay, I hope you guys understand the behavior of tapered wall. Okay, now here the question is why I am putting here minus 8°. Why I am not giving positive value? So let me show you. If I place the positive value, then it goes inside. If I give 4° and here is 4°, then the pop-up warning is appear and the Revit says that this angle is not compatible with this wall. Either you can delete this wall or cancel this process. Okay, so right now I cancel this process. Same thing happen with this wall also, because it works just opposite. If you want to change only one side, then it will work. Okay, let me show you. Like if I give 4° here, then this is now work. But if I give 4° of this wall also, like interior angle, then this will not work. Okay, so how, so what's the limit of this interior angle? If I want to give positive value, then you have to give almost 1° maybe. Okay, no worries. It means that you have to change any one angle in the positive value. Okay, like either you can give 2° of exterior angle or 2° of interior angle, like so. सो यहाँ पे हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि अगर इससे ज़्यादा अगर हम इनसाइड वैल्यू देंगे तो ये वॉल एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, इस कारण से बेस एंड टॉप का जो कांस्टेंट है उसमें हम लोग निगेटिव वैल्यू ही देते हैं ताकि इसको हम टेपर दिखा सके. ओके, मीन्स यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि इसमें से किसी एक वैल्यू को हम पॉजिटिव दिखा सकते हैं तभी हो पाएगा. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम -8° करेंगे देन इट विल move a bit right side, then again give 4°, then it will go towards the right side. Okay, so in this way it will work. I hope you guys understand. Now come to the next point, which is a structure. Okay, so draw a wall, then if you click this wall, then there is a option structure. Click on structure checkbox, then you see there is few more constant appear in the structure option. Okay, if you see the modify panel, then there is few more tools added, which is called reinforcement. Under the reinforcement there is 5 tools added: rebar area, path, fabric area, fabric sheet. Right now we will not cover this 5 tools because this is structure part. So when we will come to structure, then we will discuss each option one by one. Okay. Now come to next point, which is dimension. Under the dimension, there is few constant here, which is top width, bottom width, length, area, volume. Basically, it shows the dimension of the selected wall. Okay. If I draw a normal wall like this, duplicate this wall first, click on OK, then change from tapered to vertical. Now draw a straight wall. Now you see there is 3 constant is appear here of this wall: length, area, volume, which is default. You are not able to change this parameter from this properties palette. If you change, you have to adjust here, adjust the wall, and it will change. Like this is 25 feet length of this wall, and here it shows 25 feet, area 500 square feet, and the volume 333 cubic feet approx. Okay. Same if I change this wall, if I select multiple wall, then it shows both the wall length is 25 feet and area is 500 and the volume is 300 cubic feet. Now change this wall length first. If you select, then it shows varies, means both the values area and length is different. So if you know the length, area and volume, you have to select individually. Okay, then it will show the length, area and volume. Now come to the next point, which is identity data. Under the identity data, 3 option, which is image, comment and marks. Basically this option majorly used for creating schedule. So when we will talk about schedule, then we will show you each option one by one. Okay. Now come to phasing. Phasing means the wall is in new construction or as existing or a demolished part. Demolished means उसको हम तोड़ के बना रहे हैं फिर से. Existing means पहले से वॉल बना हुआ है, उसको और मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं. न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स वहां पे वॉल नहीं है, उसको हम न्यूली वॉल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ओके. सो इस तरीके से फेस क्रिएट करते हैं. ये फेस शो होता है यहाँ पे. दिस इज वी कैन से दिस इज फेस फिल्टर. और इस फेस का प्लस पॉइंट कैसा रहेगा, जैसे ये हम इस पर क्लिक करें, ये न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन है, इस पर अगर हम एग्जिस्टिंग पे क्लिक करेंगे and see this is look in half tone. Okay, and now and this wall is in dark, so it shows that this is in existing phase and this is in new construction phase. So we will discuss this option later. This option will come from the collaborate tab and the workset. Okay, in the workset the phase filter and the phase option will appear. Okay. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this wall instance properties, then comment me below. If you need any demanding video like creating any type of family, then let me know. We will definitely help you and create a video regarding that topic. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.